Living Things and Non-Living Things, a compare and contrast book by Kevin Kurtz. Everywhere you go, you will see living things. What do you see on this page? A polar bear, a bird, fish, tree, sunset. Everywhere you go, you will see non-living things. What do you see on these pages? Waves, a snowman, cars, a sand dune, a kid's room, a rock formation. Living things on one side of the page, non-living things on the other side of the page. How are they different from each other? Are living things the only things that move? Not necessarily. Some non-living things move. Lightning, water, trains. While some living things cannot, like mushrooms can't move. Are living things the only things that grow and change? All living things do grow and change, but some non-living things grow and change too. Look at the things on that page. A volcano, icebergs, clouds, those are changing, but are they living? Are living things the only things that reproduce? Do only living things make babies or seeds? Or copies of themselves? Some non-living things can also make copies of themselves, like fire or a virus on your computer. And though almost all living things can reproduce, some living things, like mules and male ligers, cannot. Are living things the only things that need food, that need water and breathe oxygen? All living things do need energy, nutrients, and water to exist. Many of them also need to breathe oxygen to exist. But this non-living thing also needs food and oxygen to exist, fire. And this non-living thing cannot exist without water. And some living things, like these microbes, are poisoned by oxygen. They breathe other things like sulfur and even iron. So how are living things different from non-living things? Not even scientists have a perfect answer. But if something does all these things, then it is probably a living thing. Breathe, drink water, take energy and nutrients from its environment, grow and change, reproduce.